there is a lot of noise around this new AI chatbot and by OpenAI, which is ChatGPT. Can you make money with it? Is it possible? Is it yes? Now? Yes. Let me show you how you can create opportunities and make some extra income with this AI chatbot. So let's go straight to my dashboard and I'll share with you. So if you've never seen this, when you need to type openai.com, and this is what will appear. You're going to see something like this: Chat GPT, and you go to try Chat GPT. So once you click on here, it leads you to this one. It's a Chat GPT. If you are new to this, you log in or you create an account. It's simple to create, and you can use this to do a lot. So let's assume that, let me share with you some of the platforms and what it does. So this chat bot writes literally anything that you ask. So it's just like a Google, but in a form of AI. So if you want to know anything, it gives you. If you want to write assignment, if you want to do mathematical calculations, it will give you that. So let's write something small. Maybe I want to write a resume. So I can just say write a CV for a CEO position. So I can just put this and it is going to give me the answer. So it's writing a CV for me. It's writing my CV. I don't have a CV. So this is a CV it's giving me. It gives you even a summary of your CV experiences. I just have to read through and see if it's what you want. But it gives you a CV. So imagine something giving you a CV instantly. You can be able to do a lot with this. You can be able to do a lot with this. So I'm going to show you what it does. So this is how it does. Put in anything that you want, and it provides the answer, the results for you. So it's created a one-page CV, or you can adjust this to 2 pages if you put your experiences, and you can just edit it and do whatever you want. So you can write CVs. So write a marketing email. So let's cancel this. And let me show you something also. Write a sales copy. Okay, write an email. Marketing, a public speaking course. I'm a public speaking coach. So just put in this, type enter, and the magic happens. Dear fellow members, are you looking to improve your public speaking skills and confidence in front of an audience? Look no further. Our public speaking course is designed to help you develop your speaking abilities and overcome any nervousness. You can see it's writing this thing for me. It's writing my CV, this email for me. So I'm just taking you through this for you to know what it can do. Then I'll give you platforms that can help you make some money. So let's go to the platforms, and once we get to the platforms, we'll come and do demonstrations again for you to see. So you've seen that this is potentially something that can write things like this for you. Something that can write is a chat bot AI that can write a lot of content for you. So now, how can you apply this content to make money from this content? Because to you, it's meaningless if you just have the content. But let's push through for me to share with you how you can make some traction and some money with this AI tool. So the first place to do this is Fiverr. You can go to Fiverr and just type copywriting. You can become a copywriter for any company, any brand, anybody. So let's see some of the copywriting. Just type copywriting and you see people are writing sales copies. You can instantly sales copy, website content, right? This like copywriting, website content, my copy converts, where's that sell like demands? So you can write, these are people who are making money out of copywriting. So they write emails, they write a lot of stuff just for company. SEOs, they can write an SEO for a website, and you can use this particular tool to write an SEO for a website. So you can do copywriting with this. You can do freelancing, you can do website copywriting. You can just do this, go to this website, write and deliver to these people. You can also use Etchy. You can do Etchy. So this is etchy.com. You can write like thank you, like notes. You can write messages and sell PDFs here. So like let's say PDF Christmas card. So maybe you want to write Christmas card, and you just put in right this Christmas cards. You can use, it's a digital download. So you need some information, and you can use this chat GPT to write this Christmas cards or messages. So you can also use this bot chatbox to further write ebooks. If you don't know, these are daily wisdom, daily ebooks, wisdom about books, daily amazing wisdoms, Kindle copies. You can write candles, motivational morning stories. So this is like motivational morning stories. So motivational morning stories. So these are like short stories someone is selling here. These are short stories. You can see. So short, two wolves. Like you see, so these are short stories. And we can compile that and put them as 10 motivational quotes. So it's going to write 10 motivational quotes for us. Wow, the only way to do a great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs, believe you can and you are halfway there. So it's writing 10 motivational quotes for us. And you can equally put that as a book. Let me show you how. Motivational quotes. And books. So you can see great inspirational quotes. 1001 motivational quotes, inspirational quotes. So let's go back. By now it has finished. So it has finished with the 10 motivational quotes. I can pick all this, add more. It said write 1,000 motivational quotes for me. It's going to write 1,000 motivational quotes, and I'm publishing that as a book right now. I'm publishing that, listen to me, and I'm publishing that as a book, and I'm making sales right now. So you can also publish books and make money with this. And you can also do ghost writing. So when people request you to write books, you come here, pick the content, publish, write it for them, and you make money out of this. If you don't want this, what again do you want? So let's go to the last one. You can use this to write emails, YouTube scripts. So maybe you have a YouTube channel, and people write YouTube scripts, automated YouTube like scripts. So you can see all this YouTube, some of the videos you see, they use scripts to be able to do their YouTube videos. So you can equally go here, go to Fiverr, just type YouTube scripts, YouTube script. YouTube script, and someone will request to write a YouTube script writer. So there are YouTube script writers. So you can also become a YouTube script writer. You write the scripts using this chat bot, and then you resell those scripts to people. So this is what we have, and this is the innovation that I've brought to you, and how you can make possibly a lot of money from this, from writing website copies, writing emails, copywriting, sales copies, ebooks, publishing ebooks, going to Etchy to write thank you cards. You can equally use this to write YouTube scripts. So this is a powerful tool, and you can make a lot of money. And the next time I'm going to show you the amount of money I've actually made with this. Thank you very much. My name is Ibrahim Mustafa. Follow me if there's value in this video.